guys, we're heading now to chasing waterfalls. So we see 2 waterfalls today. So let's see. How far? I'm sorry. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, we're select packing out of here today. So
This one.
you want me to have one? Okay. Let's go.
I'm excited to see the 4 waterfalls in here in PMT.
Yeah, guys. So we're just all you do is just come right out of camp and right here at Roosevelt Rock. Take the left. Just right here out of Roosevelt Rock. See our camp's just right up there.
Follow the blue blaze.
Stay on the blue blaze. I really didn't look at the map to see how far we go back to seeing any of these waterfalls. So we're just gonna make our way on down the trail here. You know, we had a good morning this morning, just sitting there and drinking coffee and watching the sun come up and having some breakfast. Oh, excuse us.
Morning.
Morning, morning. And anyway, it was nice. That's one thing Melissa and I like to do, is just when we get up in the morning to just sit outside the tent and kind of hang out and bond together, and you know. So anyway, yeah, nice little trail, guys. And anyway, we're just gonna head on down the trail. Let's go.
Can I go there?
Yeah, go ahead. So guys, when you come around the corner, the first waterfall that you're going to see off the PMT is Casanca Falls. It is kind of a busy morning this morning, as is Saturday morning. And if you look, nice little falls there. And I thought Melissa was going to get in the water and play in it, but it is raining, so I think she's apted not to. But you could go in there for a swim, or even to take a little bath or something if you wanted. But Melissa here, she's going to go up there a little bit and play in the water. Kind of a cool little waterfall, ain't it, love?
Yeah. Woo, nice. So you can swim in here?
Huh?
You can swim?
Yeah, you can swim in there.
Nice.
All right, y'all. We're gonna keep heading on down the trail. There's more waterfalls yet to see over here on the PMT. This one here is actually pretty beautiful. All right. All right, guys, so as you leave out of Kasanka Falls, you come around a bend and you go across a really nice, look like it's a new bridge. So hats off to everyone who did that, who takes care of the Pine Mountain Trail here. It's really beautiful out here on this trail. As the water is really good out here. Really beautiful. So let me just kind of give you a little look here of the trail. As you do follow this creek right along. And it just follows it. It's really nice. Really nice. It's supposed to thunderstorm today, so let's see if we can get them all in before the thunderstorms and rain. But it's a really busy trail today, once again, as I said, it is the weekend, and it's not a real hard trail. Pretty popular trail out here, definitely amongst the locals. As you look, really nice. It's peaceful. What do you think of it so far? You like it?
I really like it. The trail.
Is it what you thought it would be so far? Yeah, it's nice, right? Yeah, this is a place you could, this is a trail through here, right in here in this area. You could bring your kids and no problem walk it. If you're just trying to come out and see the falls so far. A couple bridges. All right, everybody, we started kind of making our way down the trail a little bit, and you come across these little bridges that were made. Then you kind of go down a little bit, you come up to your second waterfall. What do you think, love?
Super nice.
It is nice. And your second waterfall that you're going to come up upon is Big Rock Falls. And there you got Big Rock Falls. Let me get a little closer here. Kind of neat. Pretty little waterfall. Pretty little waterfall. All right, guys, with that, we're going to keep heading on down the trail. Let's go.
Slippery rock falls. Woo!
Yay! Yeah, guys, so here we are. We're just down a little bit from our last one. And we're at Slippery Rock Falls.
I cannot go there because it's slippery.
Because it's slippery, yeah, be careful, right? Kind of nice falls. Let me just kind of walk down this way a little bit. Kind of give you a little bit more of a looky-loo. Yeah, I kind of want to be careful because it is a little slippery here on these rocks. Once again, it did rain last night. It's supposed to rain today, so it's going to be a joy. Cute little fall. Nice little waterfalls. Go down here a little bit. Yeah, kind of have to be careful going down these rocks. They are slippery, so take your time when getting down through here. And once again, it's well marked, blue blaze. Stay on the blue blaze. Now it looks like we're getting ready to go up. Let's go across this little bridge that they made, it looks like. And we'll be heading down to our next one. All right, guys, well, let's head on down the trail. More to see. All right, everybody, once you come out of that last falls there, you make a left turn over the bridge, and you got, looks like a couple switchbacks. Be ready for them. Kind of steep going up. So we just finished one switchback, and now we got another one we're going up. So you got some PUD, no doubt. So just be ready for it. Don't seem to be too bad, but definitely there is a couple switchbacks you got to do. And with that, let's go. We'll take you up this last one with us. Let's go. But man, oh man, it's beautiful out here, guys.
This is what I like. It's challenging.
Challenging. Boy, she should have been with us last week, guys, huh? Or actually, when we went over to Rocky Point, she'd have liked that. So now we got this little switchback going back at the other side of the mountain. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy. No, I'm good. Whew. The fun of being a new backpacker, guys, huh? Yeah, look. You gotta go all the way up there. Looks like we're going to the top of the mountain now. Whew. Whew.
This is really in the top.
Huh? Yeah, we're going to the top. Yeah, we're going to the top of the ridge there. So like I said, there is two switchbacks, guys. Once you come out of there. Kind of aggressive, at least for this new backpacker. But hey, life's a journey. Live it! Yeah, how many people, how many of you out there that are experienced still have the same issues when hitting inclines like this, having to go up? Whew. Oh, it looks like we're just about on even ground now, guys. Come on, we got this. I guess I'm gonna brag on my Ultra Temp 5s right now and say that being on them slippery rocks and so far wearing them, I've kind of fell in love with them. I mean, they're probably the most comfortable shoe that I've put on my feet yet, by far. So let's just see how they turn out. All right, guys, with that, let's keep on heading down the trail. All right, everybody, here we are. We got to the top after a couple of them switchbacks coming up out of the bottom there. And just be ready for them. So now once you come up to the top here, you come up here by Bumblebee Ridge campsite. And yeah, you better bring water in it if you plan on coming up here to this campsite, as it is a dry campsite. So you just got to get down to the bottom and get water before you just as you turn out of the last falls. But yeah, now we're headed yet over to Cascade Falls, which you still got another 0.5 to the right. Now in the fall of the year, once again, as I always say, I think it's gonna be just beautiful out here, as it is a green canopy out here right now. But when these leaves are all off, that is just amazing. All right, guys, with that, let's head on down the trail. All right, guys, here we are. We're down here at the bottom again. There's a couple switchbacks on the way back down, so you know what that means. Once again, what goes down must go back up. So anyway, here we are. We're back down here following the creek. To give you a little look here. It's beautiful back down here. So as you come down, start following the creek again. Really beautiful. The creek like it splits off right here. Across the bridge. And then there's another bridge. We got to cross another one. All right, guys. We're going to keep heading on down the trail. Let's go. All right, everybody. Here we are. We just passed mile marker 21 on the PMT. So if you're starting over at the WJSP tower, mile marker 23, looks like you're going to be roughly a little over 2 miles back. Looks like probably going to be about 2.1, and I believe we're getting ready to come to the main attraction, as you have passed many other beautiful waterfalls, little waterfalls along the way. Remember, you come out on a weekend, it is more busy out here along this section of the trail. So with that, here we have it.
You want a picture?
Here we have it. We are now at
the end of the trail.
Cascade.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
You want to take a picture for both?
Waterfalls. Yes, please. Here we go, guys. It's like 2.1 in if you're coming in from the WJSP tower. Nice little cascading waterfall, no doubt. With the rain we had last night. And we are expecting more today. And then if you look here, they also got here Wolf Den Cave Cliff, which is kind of cool, I guess. All right, guys. With that, remember, life is a journey. Live it.